What's up, mechanics? Yeah, I know I said I was gonna drop this video on Tuesday, but guess what? I'm a dad. I be having stuff to do. So much stuff to do. Anyway, I'm sure one of my kids are gonna barge in here at any given second and screw this up. But today, I'm gonna show you guys what changed for me after becoming vegan. So welcome back. Yes, if you're new here and you're not a mechanic, you know what to do. Slap that subscribe button. You need to put that little wrench on that subscribe button and turn it from red to gray. If your subscribe button is red, there's a problem. Hit, slap that, just slap it one time for me. Anyway, let's get right into it. So this is what happened. Plenty of things changed after I went vegan. Not all just being physical, but one thing I will say is right away for me, even though I eat a lot of vegan junk food, right away, right off the bat, I lost about 20 pounds or so, probably within the course of a month or two, just eating and also exercising because I was already exercising. So I lost 20 pounds like right away, like the weight just fell off really easy. As long as I'm not eating a bunch of junk food, my weight will just go off and stay off really fast. So that's one good benefit that I've noticed. The other benefit that I noticed is in the morning, I used to wake up in the morning time and just be like sounding all crazy because I was super like mucusy and congested, like all in my nasal passages and all. Like it was just crazy. I was like, man, this is like insane. Like every morning, I'm telling you. It was even worse during springtime when the pollen and all was out. The pollen used to just like, it used to tear me to pieces. So what else? Because people ask me this a lot when they see me and they meet me. They're like, what's some of the things that changed for you? It's even more than that. I got to meet a lot of great new friends and activists and all of that stuff that, are a part of the vegan movement. I'm friends with people that are, vegan, for the diet aspect of it. Then I'm vegan for people who don't care anything about eating the healthier alternatives. The only thing they care about is not harming any animals. So they're like vegan and cruelty free, and I got to mix and mingle with a lot of different people, and that's like amazing in its own. Other medical thing that happened for me is my blood pressure. It was more of a higher risk for having hypertension. After moving to this more plant-based diet, my blood pressure actually went way down, dropped about 20 points. It was a lot higher than this, and it went way down. And like I said, I eat a lot of vegan junk food, but all in all, I eat at least 7 to 8 salads a week if I had to take my guess on how many I eat. Eat a lot of salad, a lot of raw food. I just don't happen to post that stuff all the time on my Instagram or Facebook or any social media account. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. I don't. Half of the time when I'm eating, my food isn't picture perfect because I'm eating on the go. I don't have time all the time to snap a picture, but I'm trying to get better with that. I'm trying to do a better job. That's all I can think of right now. I'm sure there'll be more, and I'll probably do a part 2, but that's about all I can think of right now. Guys, if you want something like a recipe or a special video made, this is the most interactive YouTube channel you're gonna find on YouTube. You hear me? Drop what you need in the comments below. I got a whole YouTube army of people that got my back and will help me curate some food. I was at the potluck this past week, and Miss Davita made the best stuffed shells ever. I'm gonna try to pry that recipe from my hands and see if I can have it for you guys, or maybe, I don't know, I'll go over to her place if she allows that, and we'll shoot it with, me and the wife and all. We'll go shoot that video right in her place. Who knows? You never know. Vegans are friendly. We'll find out. Either I have the recipe or I'll be shooting it over there and let her do her recipe. One way or another, we're gonna make it work because I care about you guys. As long as you're eating grass, not ass. So you hear that this is over. I appreciate all the love and respect you guys give me. Big giveaway coming up soon. Stay tuned. I got more videos, more footage that I got to edit and upload. Just be patient with me. I love you guys. I'm gonna work on a consistent schedule. I think every Tuesday I'm gonna upload from now on. Tuesday is gonna be the day, for sure. Eat grass, not ass. Subscribe to the channel. Holla at you later.